In this video, we'll be creating slotted screw cone. So here is the design we are going to create. You can refer to the provided drawing, which includes detailed views and dimensions necessary for creating this model. You can download drawing file from the project's download link. Now let's start designing. Invoke new design file. Set your units to millimeters. Invoke create sketch. Select front plane. Take line tool, and from origin you can start drawing. OK. Vertical line, then connecting to origin. Now we'll give horizontal constraint. You can start giving dimensions. This 4 and the length is 32. OK. Now this angle, it is 59. Yes. Now we can revolve. Invoke revolve feature. Profile is selected. Axis, select this line. OK. Bring to isometric view. Now invoke create sketch. Select front plane. From create rectangle, center rectangle. And here draw a rectangle. Dimension, length is 5 and width is 2. First you can make this horizontal from origin to center of rectangle. OK. Now coincident constraint from center to this line. OK. Invoke extrude feature. Select the profile. Select the inner profile. Direction is symmetric. Extend type all. Operation cut. OK. Yes. Next we will give chamfer. Invoke chamfer feature. Select these two edges and give distance of 0.5. Yes. Next we have to give thread. From create, take thread feature, select the face, you have to select model. Then rest you can accept the default setting. OK. By this we have finished creating slotted screw cone. And this is the final design. OK.